this tutorial, you'll go over how to associate a Google form with a Google Sheet. Therefore, you'll know where to find the section to create a Google Sheet, what it looks like when an answer is selected in the Google form and then put into the Google Sheet. Therefore, students and teachers can make a Google Sheet that is associated with the Google form to organize answers, calculate total points, or just create a database of responses. Google Sheets, I've already created a page to show you how to associate a Google form with a sheet. So, if you want to assign points to a question, organize responses, etc., then you can create a Google Sheet that is associated with the Google form, like this one. And the question I have is how many points will be added into the Google Sheets for this response. I've made a drop-down menu that lets you select the number. This number will then be sent to a Google Sheet, which I have made. So the option is drop-down, and you can change this if you want, but for this one I'm going to do drop-down. And then, as you see, I have the numbers associated with each option. And now I can go to responses, and from responses, which I already have one response to the survey, press this, which is... So I've already made a Google Sheet. And as you see, it tells me when this response was made, what the question is, and I only have one question, but if there was multiple, it would be lined up by column. And then the response. So this person got 1 point. Now I'll show you how people will actually see this sheet. If you go to preview, this is what the form looks like. So all they do is go to choose, and then they select the option that they want. So let's say the person's getting 5 points, and then press submit. And as you see, that 5 was inserted into the Google Sheet, which I made.